Good morning. Nice little local show today. It's literally only a couple of miles from where we live. We're meeting up with a few others, but over COVID, over the first COVID, I had an old moped sat in the corner of the garage waiting to get restored, and when I knew COVID was going to happen, I ordered loads and loads of parts, and I completely did a nut and bolt restoration during COVID, and today is the first day I'm actually going to take it out anywhere. Well, I'd better show you it, hadn't I? So here she is, a Yamaha Fizzy. This is actually not an FS1E, it's an FS1M. It was basically the later one that was restricted. Instead of having pedals, it's got footrests. But this one's been this one's been completely modified to be exactly the same as the one I had when I was 16. So it's got a 65cc bore kit on it. I couldn't get a Micron exhaust, so I've got the next best thing. And everybody wants the metal sides. I wanted the 77, 78 plastic sides. The tank is a European tank. It's not a British tank because I like the step up here. There's lots of things I've done to it. It's every single nut and bolt. Everything has been touched by me. Everything's been rebuilt, repaired, replaced. So I say, this is what I had when I was 16. My first street legal ped. Mine was actually a pedal one. It was a 77 pedal, so it was an FS1A. This one, like I say, is exactly the same, except for it's an FS1M. But I've rebuilt it to the same spec. The only thing I didn't mess about too much with the chain and sprockets, because I just put standard back on. My one was geared that bad. It used to be really difficult to even pull off. It was so geared that I couldn't even pull off. I had to keep slipping the clutch to get it going. But my old one used to go to, I don't know if it was 68 or 70, one of them two. I don't know what believes you, but when you haven't geared up like that, you can get good speeds when it's not a windy day. This one, because it's standard chain and sprockets, I've done the jets in the carburettor. I've upgraded them. Like I say, the barrel and pistons, they're 65cc, the exhaust, a few other little bits and bobs, and it's ported out as well. So it's exactly the same as what I had when I was a kid. Had to have the fastest, loudest one then as well, but I will just start it up. This is its test, isn't it? Is it going to start first kick? I haven't had it started for a few weeks. Maybe if I turn the fuel on. Here we go. I don't think it's even legal, the noise of it, but as you know me, that don't really bother me. So I'm going to get it loaded up on the truck now.
Well, here we are then. Good morning. I see you started without me. Impatient little sod at times he is. Didn't you?
Right. The reason it's going on here is because the MOT's run out and I never got it time to get it done, did I?
No. You know what you are, don't you?
Stupid.
Have you got the seats in there?
The chairs, yeah.
Yeah. So, that's a little Fizzy high up. We've not put it on here before, have we?
Well, I did a tester last night, didn't I? But
well, yeah, but we haven't rode with it. That's what I'm saying.
No, we ain't going far though. I wouldn't want to go far on it, to be fair.
No.
I think it'd damage it eventually.
Yeah, I think the straps and things would. Maybe that's why people put bits of material and stuff over where they tie things up.
Yeah.
And look.
What?
We got the right number plate on.
Yeah. I thought so.
I think he's done.
Literally done. I'm sweating in my eyeballs.
It's very humid, isn't it?
Stinging.
Yeah, it is very humid. Do you want to?
But it gives rain. It's 9 o'clock now, so alright. We're ahead of time for a change.
Do you want to show them your strap on?
Yeah, my strap on. So yeah, she's all strapped on, look. Zigzagged, so it's all strong, but I don't know, I don't think I'd want my baby on this too long.
I don't think either of us like it, do we?
No.
We don't feel happy with it. I mean, we are going only down the road today. I don't think we'd want to take it a distance, would we?
What I need is one of them like box trailers. I can just drive it in, I can strap it in on the box trailer. I can actually make something for it to fit into.
Bloody strap him in a minute.
That would be nice though, wouldn't it?
I would feel happy.
I'm going to look out for one now.
Okay, you look out for one. We're here.
We're at the Big Bash. So I've just got me moped on the motorbike stand. Then I'm going to show you, just quickly wish you along the cars. There she is, and there's another Fizzy here. And loads and loads of classic cars. Well, that's George. You've seen George before.
There's only one George.
There is only one George.
Only one George. We couldn't do with two Georges.
Cheers.
Don't know. So I think we've got 3 old things sitting here. 1, 2, 3.
That'll be the bike and the 2 trucks then.
Well,
That's
that was manic, weren't it?
Yeah.
Basically, we had a few spots of rain. We quickly got the motorbike on the back of the truck. Quickly got home. We've literally just finished, and
We've got thunder.
I'll just show you. That's what we had, and that's what we're about to get. So we couldn't finish the video properly, could we? So
No, we just wanted to get the motorbike home, didn't we? So that's all tucked away now in the garage. Truck's in its place. Anything we've got to do is take the rack off, haven't we? We'll do that tomorrow.
do that tomorrow.
And we're now just going to go and have a quick hot tub.
It's raining.
Yeah, that is. We're now going to go and have a quick hot tub and get ready, and then pop round our daughter's because she's doing you a nice roast for Father's Day.
Can't beat that.
So yeah, so we've saved ourselves, haven't we?
Yep.
We didn't have anything to eat while we were doing
No, we're
that.
starving.
So yeah, we're going to sit in the hot tub while we have the thunderstorm and get ready to go around see Jade.
I hope we don't get electrocuted with the lightning.
Oh, you are stupid. Anyway, it's only a little short video today, wasn't it? It was just a little...
To be honest, it was testing the... I've set everything... I'm trying to do this as a 4K video. So we just wanted to do a little one just to see how it was. So.
Yeah. So, if you like what you see, if you can like, subscribe and ring the bell would be excellent. And for now, because the thunderstorm is calling, I'm going to say bye.
Adios.
And we'll see you on the next one.